There's a lot of different things going on in the industry, and right now we are ready and willing and able to serve our shops to get them the most revenue possible, make them as profitable as possible, but also decrease their cycle time and save their employees time getting these jobs done.
We're unveiling our connected calibration solution that helps drive more revenue to your bottom line. We're also unveiling the Generation 3. We're having a great time here. The energy has been incredible and our team is doing a great job, and we look forward to working with you guys.
I'm currently here at SEMA looking to bring to market our asTech integration and the BlueDriver integration with Mobile Tech RX. These two integrations are going to empower our vendors to make smarter and accurate repairs while helping increase their bottom line.
Connected Calibrations in the Gen 3, we're here debuting it. Lots of excitement around both products, lots of pre-sales and upgrades happening. I want to get education out there and everybody understanding what solutions that we have, why they work for them, and just being with the team.